Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening YouTube Music and picking what you want to hear. You already signed in, so tap a playlist or album and press play. Once done, make sure background play is enabled and notifications are allowed so controls appear while you use other apps. Then, press your device home button or swipe up to switch apps. The audio keeps playing. You do this to keep continuous playback while multitasking and to ensure the playback controls remain accessible for quick pauses or skips. Now you manage audio without interrupting your work. Pull down the notification shade and use media controls to pause, skip, or change tracks. If another app steals audio focus, go to that app's settings or disable its sound to regain playback control. You can also enable split screen or picture-in-picture where supported, which keeps YouTube Music visible while you operate another app. Make sure to adjust device volume and check Bluetooth output, so the right device receives audio and nothing mutes unexpectedly. To finish or optimize, simply leave YouTube Music running in the background. Don't force close it. If playback stops while using other apps, first check battery saver, background data permissions, and the device's network connection. These are common culprits. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall YouTube Music and test playback with another audio app to determine if the problem is system-wide. One quick troubleshooting tip: disable aggressive battery optimization for YouTube Music. That alone resolves most background play interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.